Today I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to vectorize a face and person using Adobe Illustrator. So I found my face. You can use any face, but I found this one on Pixels. First thing we do is on our artboard is lock it down by pressing Ctrl 2. Simply press P, make the pen tool, or you can click over here, the pen tool. Double tap on the colours and make it a bit lighter. Cool so far. Then we select the eyebrows. Eyebrows are normally a bit darker. Can't you? Cool. On the skin. And send this to the back with Control Shift square bracket. Open square bracket. Or you can right click and to back. Skin, that dropper again. Again, you can play around like the first one, I think. Darker. Okay, now we do the mouth, to the lips, and the earrings. Top. And also the necklace. Now if you press I for your eyedropper, and if you shift click on the line above, it will bring it up as a colour. It'll change it to the same colour. You compare with the end of the lines too. And the chin. Look great. So if we shift click with our eyedropper onto the skin behind, that will change the line to the same colour. And then if we double click and just make it a fraction darker. And again, we can change with the end of the line, so it sort of blends and looks a bit more natural. Group it all. And then again, you can be way more detailed in the hair. I might just add that little bit of hair in there and go back and fiddle around. So by the end of it, you'll have your vector like this. And if you just group it up and click copy, so just to recap, this is where we've come from. We start with our subject matter. People are quite easy to do. Dogs and animals are fairly a bit more tricky, but they are doable. And then we've vectorized it using the pen tool. We've colored it using the eyedropper tool in the photo. And then we've copied it and put it into Photoshop. We've done all sorts to it. We've added a texture. We've added some text. We've cropped it, and we've also added a background. But again, you can take all of this off. That looks quite cool as well. So really be quite gentle with the texture. Just have a play around. And that would make a good social media profile picture. But yeah, let me know if you've enjoyed this tutorial. Hit like and subscribe and all that jazz. And I'll see you soon with another either tutorial or most likely a gaming playthrough.